AI is coming for your job, or at least that's what everyone kept saying, right? But Stack Overflow numbers are telling a completely different story. And guys, I was really 100% convinced that some programming languages would drop this year. But guess what? JavaScript is still the king of all programming languages. So the important question now is, if AI is so powerful, why are developers still sticking to the same old tools? Well, let's break it down in this video, because the answer can save your career. And before I go further, let me tell you this. If you are really serious about adopting the tools and want to discuss how to build your next SaaS-based model business, I am opening up a few call slots. We can also chat about how to position yourself in this AI world and what strategies to use to attain new potential customers for your platform. Link must be in the description of this video. Okay, now let's get into the real talk. Listen carefully, because many people miss this. The thing is, AI is not here to replace developers. It is here to replace bad developers. What I mean is the ones who can't think beyond the code, and the ones who are stuck doing manual work that should have been automated yesterday. Because the thing is, AI cannot think. It does not know why you are building something, who it's for, or how to make it scalable. Sure, it can write code, but it cannot solve problems, and that's the gap you need to fill. Also, have you seen the latest Stack Overflow survey that has just dropped? Check that out, because 70% of professional developers are now using AI tools. And there is one twist. They are not using AI to replace themselves. They are using it to speed things up. And when we talk about top languages, JavaScript and Python are still the winners. And you know why? Because these languages solve real business problems, and AI, it just makes solving those problems very faster and way more easier. And here's the million-dollar question we should be asking ourselves. Can we solve the right problems? If the answer is no, well, AI will be replacing us soon. And if you check the survey, you will notice a strange pattern. The developers who are winning these days have one thing in common. They are automating the boring stuff like documentation and testing, and asking questions, the smart questions like, what product are we building? Who is it for? And how do we scale it? But the ones who are losing are still sitting around, waiting for the tasks instead of finding solutions. And let me drop a harsh reality. Winners are always multiply the output, but losers always multiply the excuses. So you need to ask this question to yourself. Which side are you on? And with this video, I'm attaching a short document that is telling, number one, how to master decision making and how to build something that matters, how to code with revenue in mind, and how to 10x your output. And if you want to dive deeper into these topics and master it, book a call with me after checking the document that I am attaching in the description below. And before I finish this video, I want you to listen to this one advice. Only thing that is standing between you and a six-figure skill set is the execution, because AI will be replacing developers 100%, but not the ones who think like founders, act like product managers, or execute like engineers. So you should decide wisely and think like a businessman, because whether you can use AI to move faster or get replaced in this sprint race, I will see you in the next video.